Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to
Tech Mendes.
In today's video we'll be teaching you how you can
uninstall software from your laptop.
It is very easy, it is very simple. Just stay with us to the end of this video. You don't need anyone to do this for you, you can do it yourself. So just stay with us to the end of this video. Hello guys, yesterday I showed you guys how to install software. Today I'll be teaching you on how you can uninstall software on your device. First, go to your control panel. So guys, that is your control panel. That is your control panel. You can find it from the start menu or search control panel in the search bar. Click to open it. Inside the control panel, look for programs. So that is the programs. Under programs, click on install a program. This will open a window called program. You see, program and features, that is how it is. Under the programs, click on install a program. You see, under the program, you click on install the program. You see, guys, this will open a window called program and features. Here you see all the applications installed on your laptop. So now scroll down to the list, find the software you want to remove. You see, for example, I want to uninstall this one. I want to install this one. You see that one, Chrome browser. I want to uninstall it. Click on it once to select it, just once to select it. At the top, click the uninstall button where it is. You see the uninstall button, click the uninstall button. A message will appear asking you for confirmation. You see, this message will appear asking you for confirmation. Click yes to continue. Okay, the uninstall process will now begin. Wait for it to finish. Do not close the windows until it is done, please guys. Do not close the windows. Always when you are doing something like this, don't close the windows. Just leave it. Just leave it to finish. Until you are done. Yeah, so guys, it is done. So when it is finished, the program will disappear from your list. That means the software has been removed from your laptop. Sometimes it may ask you to restart your laptop. You can choose to restart now or restart later. And that is it. You have successfully uninstalled software from your laptop. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple computer tips and leave answers in the comment below.